Hey, so I just wanted to talk to you guys about money because today I had to hit my daily sales goal and I was about $100 short of hitting it. And I was fine, I still did the work I needed to do. And so I'm visiting my parents and I walk in and my dad hands me an envelope. And guess how much is it? $100. And so the point is that when you take the actions necessary and you stay focused on your goal, not worrying about the how or not stressing about the details, you see the details, but you know what you have to do and you stay on track and you just stay focused, the money will come to you. It's not just attached to your job. It's not just attached to your business because you're the source. The money will find its way to you in an envelope, in a customer, in a winning, anything. So you just have to be open to receive and keep your eye out for these opportunities and these possibilities and maintain that hope. And when you maintain that hope and you maintain that just expectation, really, not even just hope, but expect that money, because I've always hit my daily goals no matter what. And so you always just focus on the end result, like you're going to hit your goal no matter what. Like you have an outline of how you're going to get it, which is fine. And you stay on track and you follow the plan, but still be open to other possibilities and be open to receive.